Today the menu is for a quick and authentic dish that has just a few ingredients, but it's so full of zesty flavor.
Pasta aglio e olio, or loosely translates as pasta with garlic and olive oil. Just watch this episode.
Hi, this is Connie, with another quick and tasty pasta meal that your gang will enjoy.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to a quick recipe.
To start, let's review the basic ingredients you'll need to feed 4 to 6 adults. But first let's emphasize that just because we're using quite a lot of garlic, the dish is still not as pungent as the title may suggest. We'll start with 6 cloves of fresh garlic, 8 anchovy fillets, extra virgin olive oil, 1 pound of your favorite long or strand pasta, a 1/4 cup of kosher salt for the pasta water, 1 teaspoon of Calabrian chili paste, a 1/2 cup of capers, and 1 cup of grated parmigiana reggiano cheese, and that's it.
You can review them again later in the Show More section below. Let's get started. We're going to thinly slice our garlic, so that when we sauté the garlic it becomes tender and flavorful without overpowering the sauce.
Add extra virgin olive oil to a low-medium preheated pan. And make sure that the oil covers the entire bottom of the pan. We're now adding the anchovies, which we have chopped into 1/4-inch pieces. They'll break down more easily than if left whole. We're using half the normal salt for the pasta because of the saltiness of the anchovies and capers. That's 1/4 cup of kosher salt for 4 quarts of water. By the way, don't be afraid that using 8 anchovies is too much. They're not overpowering once they are cooked. See how the anchovies have started to almost melt into the oil. Now we're going to drop the pasta. We're using bucatini, which is excellent for oil-based sauces. It's a strand, or long pasta with a hole running through the center of it. Unlike a lot of our recipes, the garlic is cut into thin slices. That's so the garlic sautés more slowly than if finely chopped, allowing the garlic to caramelize slowly, making the sauce sweeter. But remember to use a low-medium heat so the garlic doesn't burn. Take a moment to subscribe to our quick recipe channel, and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
To add a little heat to the recipe, we're using Calabrian chili paste, instead of crushed red pepper. We like to use this version of heat because it adds a level of smokiness to the dish that other peppers don't. The capers come next. Notice that except for the salt added to the pasta water, no other salt is added. Between the capers and the anchovies, there's absolutely no need for additional salt. We're adding about a 1/2 cup of pasta water. The starchy water not only thickens and adds flavor but actually binds the pasta to the sauce. Now that the pasta is nearly done, we're going to add it directly into the sauce. We don't want to strain the pasta, but just add it to the sauce so that the starchy coating on the pasta, which acts almost like a glue, causes the sauce to adhere to the pasta. Thoroughly toss the pasta in the sauce, to make sure that the pasta is completely coated in sauce. We don't want any of that flavor to be lost. Now add about the entire cup of parmigiana reggiano to the pasta, but keep a little for final garnish. And again toss the pasta so that the cheese is evenly distributed throughout the dish.
Now it's time to plate it up. Look at all that delicious pasta. Now that's traditional Italian cooking.
As a final touch, we're going to drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil. And finish it with a little of the parmigiana reggiano we saved. Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickRecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.